Are you ready for Halloween? Halloween is my favorite holiday because you can transform to anything that you desire. Like a black kitty cat if you want to. I'm actually a newbie at this, so I learned some of my techniques from head to toe. She has an awesome lion Halloween tutorial. Let's get started. You're going to prime your face with a primer to keep your foundation long-lasting and even on your face. I recommend using liquid foundation because you can have all-day wear and also maximum coverage. Simply going to stipple this foundation onto your face in an up and down motion. Makeup Forever's HD powder is my favorite translucent powder to set my foundation. Simply use a really small amount and buff it onto your face with a kabuki brush. Now I'm going to use a bronzer or dark powder to contour your face. With a small contouring brush, contour the side of your nose and also from the center of your head onto your temples. Now pull that color from the side of your nose to above your cheekbones and then pull it all the way up to your temples. You can also contour the hollows of your cheeks if you have a wider face like I do. Using a white colored cream based liner, I'm going to first highlight the bridge of my nose and also on top of my eyebrows. I am going to make two small half circles on the side of my mouth. Now use your finger to blend out the white color. The heat that is produced from your fingers will help better blend the makeup onto your face. This blending step can be very time consuming, so take your time and be patient. Using a light shadow color, I'm going to use it to set the previous cream base highlighter that I applied. Now I'm going to use a liquid liner to draw the triangular nose that a cat has. Make two markings by your nostrils and the middle of your nostrils and simply connect the dots. Instead of making just a blunt triangle, I'm going to make two curves on top to connect the triangle together. Now just simply color the nose in with more liner. Now draw a straight line right down your cupid's bow. I made a change in making the arches of the nose a little rounder. I decided to pull some of the liner out to better fit my nose shape. Use a fine tip brush and draw whiskers. To complete the kitty cat look, I also drew little dots by my mouth. Now take a dark cream based liner and start coloring it onto the ball of your eye. It's okay if it looks a little messy because you can simply use a brush to clean things up. You also want to wing out the end of the cream shadow to create a cat eye effect. Now simply repeat the previous steps on your other eye. Now I'm going to take a pretty bright blue color and lay it right on top of that black cream shadow. By having a black background, the blue will be able to pop a lot more. Now use a large brush and subtly blend out the edges. Line your eye so it has an ascending thickness from inner to out. By extending the inner corner of your eyes, you will have more cat-like eyes. Simply repeat the previous steps on the other side of your eye. Line the bottom of your eyes a little off the lower lid. Using a white pencil liner, fill in the naked area on the waterline and lower lid to have those bright cat eyes. Apply some mascara on your top and bottom lashes to accentuate your eyes. Now use a light brow color so that your eyes will pop out the most. Now apply a brow gel to set the brows in place. Use a nude pink lip color to have very subtle and soft lips since cats have really thin lips. For my hair, I wanted to have straight hair yet full of body. So I simply teased it and added hairspray. Thanks for watching my Halloween tutorial and have a perfect Halloween. Bye! Last but not least, don't forget to check out Jen's line tutorial by clicking on this window. I love to kiss my kitty boyfriend, Holden.